Hello guys, I will be making a huge amount of mishaps in this video because of these long nails. Like, see, I can't even put this lip mask properly because I don't know how people do it with talons for nails. I don't know how. So anyway, first we are going to prime the face with this Snail Gold moisturizer. I honestly don't know how this look is going to go because I'm just winging it here and there. I watched a tutorial and here we are. I grabbed a glue stick and I'm going to make my eyebrows disappear. Well, the goal of this is mostly to just stick the eyebrows to the forehead or like to the face because I'm going to color it black. I'm going to paint black over it, so it doesn't really matter if it's concealed properly. So I just glued it together, put on some powder and some concealer, and repeated the process. You know, it's layer by layer. You know, you guys know how it is. And yeah, I'm just patting on some Tarte Shape Tape concealer over this, and I used a Coty Airspun powder to set that. And now I am using this basic brow pencil to trace the outline of my Dollface mask. And then with this Sleek Eye Divine palette, I take this gray eyeshadow together with a black eyeshadow from a different palette, and I outline the eyes of the mask. It's just these doll-like eyes that have these curved thingies under. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, I'm using those two eyeshadows to outline the eyes. And then with this Snazaroo white face paint that I got from Toys R Us, I will just paint the rest of my face with it, you know, trying to avoid the eyes as possible. It doesn't really matter if I go past the lines of the eyes, but as much as possible I do. And then with this smaller brush, with a smaller brush, I am detailing, like I'm focusing on the details of the mask. And now I am working my way into the eyes with black Snazaroo face paint, again from Toys R Us, and filling in the black gaps. I leave a bit of space though in between the eyes because I will be shading it gray later on, just to make it look more like an eye or like a pupil. And then with this tiny Sigma brush, I am drawing on some lashes at the top. I'm just tracing them and then filling them back in after. And then with some black eyeshadow from Makeup Forever palette, I'm just retracing the outline of the mask just to make it look more protruded, and of course gray eyeshadow at the outside of the eyes, and then some white face paint on my lips. This is some Tarte blush that I put on the apples of my cheeks, and then I go back to the gray eyeshadow from Sleek, and then I'm just kind of contouring my smile lines and my nose. This is a Maybelline eyeliner, and I'm just drawing these smile lines outside of my lips and some of these curves at the top, and just line the inside of my lips with black as well. With this NYX Suede lipstick, I outlined a heart shape and then just filled it in. The top is a heart shape and then the bottom is a half circle, kind of like a Queen of Hearts thing, but yeah, Stranger's version. And then just filled in the white gaps of my lips. And then here I am tracing some really thin eyebrows. And with some red paint, I used a random brush and splattered fake blood all over my neck and like some parts of my face. Hello everyone, it's Fifi and welcome back to my channel. So I guess I lost the long fingernails challenge. I lost 2 already. I think it's because the adhesive of this just gave up on me. When I was squeezing water out of a sponge, it just gave up. So, oh no, No, it's coming back. It's a team player here. Yep. But the thumb is just gone. He disappeared. I don't know where he is. I know I said I'd be back to Europe vlogs, but I decided why not, you know, a second Halloween look, because it's Halloween tomorrow and it's going to be fun. So yeah, this was my attempt at Dollface from The Strangers, and if you haven't watched it yet, that's fine, because I haven't watched it either. There was an attempt to watch it at a time long ago, but it just wouldn't happen. It just, no. Like, the system, my mental health just could not take it. My spirit could not. It was, no. Dollface is probably, I would use the word creepy instead of scary. She is so creepy. All of them are so creepy. I sometimes imagine them standing by my bed at night when I go to sleep in the darkness, you know, just staring at me. So yeah, this was my attempt. It's not a very good one, I would like to admit, but ow, 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 ow. I guess we're here for the challenge of, you know, doing my makeup with long ass nails. I followed this tutorial from Ray.fx. She did a Stranger's Dollface mask. I will link her channel down below. That's where I got this tutorial. I guess I can go out and scare a few kids. That's it for this video. If you like it, please click the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't yet. I haven't been saying this. I think this is the first time I'm going to be saying this, but click the notification button, like the little bell-shaped thing down below if you want to be notified when I upload a video. I have been uploading every Sunday and Monday. No. I've been uploading every Sundays and Wednesdays. So yeah, I hope I can keep this up. I will do my best to keep it up, but I have a lot of things planned until. So yeah, thank you guys so much for swimming by my channel, and I will see you on, what's it today? Sunday. I'll see you on Sunday. Happy Halloween, folks. Bye.